Hi everyone. Uh, in this video we are going to see another feature which is available in Excel which makes us a bit more productive. The feature is called as autofill. As the name suggests, autofill is a feature in which the data can be filled automatically by the Excel. Let us see how this feature works. Say we want to fill data from 1 to 15 in a column. One way is to type each and every number. The other way is, what we can do is we can enter 1 and 2 into cells and then select the total cells till which we want to enter this data. Then you go to the home tab. In the home tab you will see in the rightmost side there is editing commands. In the editing commands you select series, and in series in the type you go and select autofill. Press OK and automatically the data from 1 to 15 is filled. Using this you can fill data from say 1 to 50, 1 to 100 or 1 to whatever number you want. Let us see one more example of the same feature. Say this time now I want to add 1, 3, 5, 7 and so forth. So in two cells I enter 1 and 3, then select the cells in which I want to insert the data. Go to home tab, editing, and to series, autofill and press OK. You can see the numbers are automatically added with a jump of 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So in this way, by entering at least two data, you can tell Excel or you tell Excel what pattern is to be followed for filling up the cells which you have selected. So in this way autofill can automatically add data for you. Hope this feature is clear to you. Thanks for watching this video.